Your body is like.
Ah! My car's on fire! Ah!
What is happening? I just got a bunch of explosions. What is happening?
I got out of my car and was still able to boost it so it launched like a rocket into the cops and blew one of them up.
Seven, get over here,
please. It's stuck up there!
That's what you get, Seven. That's what you get.
How does that even happen?
Okay. Get in. Ow! Dude, this is so stupid. It's better than 7-Up. 7-Up is ass.
Why are you comparing it to 7-Up? Oh, that was sick. You immediately scratch the paint and run over a security guard.
I did it on purpose.
Oh my god.
Jumped, you saw that.
Not
she
that
jumped,
guy.
You saw it. That woman,
You too,
she jumped, you saw it.
I don't care about the lady, you're running over. You're like, you're talking about how you ran over one lady and then you're running over a bunch of other people. Why are there two of you? What the fuck?
60.
60. 60.
That's Luke. Proving.
Stop. I can't focus. If we can just parachute away. Hey, let's get the parachute and jump. Ah! No! What the fuck? What the hell? What just happened?
I'm clipping that.
What the fuck? Some NPC just said, "Show us your tits."
You?
I don't know.
Like, shoot missile.
Shoot a missile at you? Okay.
Thank you.
Holy
I just hear
shit.
like boom, 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 over and over. Oh, there's still explosions. The helicopter.
Holy shit.
Things are still exploding.
I am murdering everyone.
Seven, can you get that helicopter that's up there? It's in the way.
I'm killing literally everyone. I gained 4 stars in like 5 seconds.
You can find out for yourself.
Schlongberg, I just saw it. I drove past it.
Yeah.
Oh, I landed on top of the helipad.
Cool.
Holy shit, I went over like 3 buildings. Oh shit. Oh my god! Holy shit! I just parked in the most amazing way possible. Bye, oppressor. What? What? How'd you get over there? You just teleported behind me, you fucking nunny bitch, what the hell?
Nunny. It's crazy when you flip around, like, oh, it almost landed.
Oh, that was sick! Oh! That was fucking sick.
He wants to mess us up.
Okay, let me ram him in the ass.
Do it. Well, we have no lives. I'm hacking. Come on her back. Oh my god. Stop. Dude, his name is so funny.
Bendy Dick, come on her back.
No! I hate that. Stop. Why? I can't even just say it again. Bendy Dick, come on her back. No, I hate that, dude. Alright, 7. Fight me, bitch. Oh!
Apparently that
clipping
NPC
Hold on.
wanted to fight you.
7, let me in!
You fucking brained it.
Evan, spoon out. The doctors when you were born, spoon out something.
Yes, probably. I was born with problems.
And I think you shot me when I was going into my garage, and when you go into the like animation of it, it makes your character an NPC. So you shot me and he started running away.
You see that one hangar? That's where the big giant plane always spawns. That to the left. What?
Does that work for you, Shiler?
Wait, you flattened me? What do you mean? Your door killed me and I had a parachute. What do you mean? I had a parachute. Wait, when I died.
You fucking helicoptered on my screen. Oh my god! Holy shit!
Jeez, bro. You're crazier than I am.
Oh, are you kidding? We're gonna please. No way! Holy shit! Stream spots,
That
bitch.
was lucky. GTA a little bit.
All right. Holy shit! Land it.
Nice, bro.
Yep. Landed it perfectly.
I'm on top.
No, you're
Get
not.
out of there, maybe. Get out.
No.
What are you doing to me?
It smells good.
Excuse me? Please, I can't move. Stop. I couldn't move. Oh. How did I get that?
That's
7, please.
That's what you did to me the first round. Oh, okay.
Okay, 7.
Oh, that was sick.
7, come here.
Switch between holding R1 or R1 and L1. he does a stupid little dance.
He looks so stupid. Oh, there it is.
Drive through it, it'll look sick.
No. Joke's on you, you had to pay 20 grand.
No, 40 grand, because I blew my own up. Oh, fucking...
Look at the guy that brained over there. Them tax them. That was nasty. What did
Then I got it. Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Alright everybody, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you press the like button. Make sure you subscribe so that you can support my channel and get my videos out to other people. So I can grow a bigger audience and make more videos for my people. Tomorrow's video, well, yeah, tomorrow, which will be Halloween, by the day this is uploaded, I am going to upload another Terraria video on the Yo-Yo Only series, so look forward to that, and I will see you guys all later.
You're not behind me, dude.
Oh!
I made you die.
Dick. My bike!
Is your bike totaled?
God damn it. You fucking
Yeah,
ass.
my bike is too, so...